Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dhwani and I create content related to lifestyle. So 2026 is almost here, and before we step into the new year, I wanted to plan, reset and prep for everything. My space, my digital lifestyle, my mindset and my goals. So come spend a cozy day in with me while we prep for 2026. So I have my laptop here and today we are going to do everything: a life admin reset, a digital declutter. This is so needed. We are going to plan my goals, we are going to fix my content strategy. We also have to do some wellness planning, we have to do some home organization. I have done a little bit here and there, and mainly vision board. This is the whole aesthetics of 2026. By the way, mind me, I have a sore throat, so my voice might be sounding a bit weird. So the first thing that I want to do is a digital declutter. This is my laptop and this contains almost everything, and it is all over the place right now. I want to delete old PDFs, I want to clean my download folders, which honestly it scares me. It's a lot, you guys. And freshly I want to segregate things into 2025 and 2026. So that's what we are going to do. So here is what I have done. I have created like two tabs. One is 2026 and one is 2025. So I just have to open my folder of 2025. Over there also I've made like two different tabs. One is for scripts and one is for all other, miscellaneous work or maybe something else. So that's how I have created for now. This is only one folder that I have made so far. I need to really dig in and like sort everything out. Then I move to my phone. I want to delete the duplicate images or just merge them. There's an option on iPhone that we can merge all the duplicate or similar images into one. I want to clear my WhatsApp chat history and all because it just had too many videos, too many MBs and all, just lying there that I want to get rid of. Next, I want to unsubscribe and remove all the spam emails from my phone, from my email section. I have like multiple email IDs that I need to, take care of. Lastly, organize everything into albums so that editing becomes easier this year. This year I've added a live admin reset, which basically means that I'm handling all my adulting tasks, which I've delayed. My iPhone, some new iOS update has come up, so I have been avoiding, doing it because it honestly takes so much time. At least 2-3 hours तो आराम से चला जाता है उसमें, so I really need to do that. So again, what I did with my laptop, I need to do it with my phone. Whatever documents are there, for example, like invoices for 2025 for the brands I've worked with, so I want to shift them to a folder and create a new folder for 2026. Since I create content, I really want to start 2026 with a clarity. So I reviewed my 2025 analytics, what worked well, what I loved filming, and what did not connect with people and the audience. So I really want to step into 2026 with everything prepared and just, do what I love doing more. I always feel my space reflects my mind. I did a tiny home reset. I changed my bed sheets. I've cleaned this side table. I've lit up my favorite candle. There's this situation behind the doors where, usually all our worn clothes are usually hanging over there. So I removed them. I kept some for, washing. I have folded the clothes which, I've only worn for like shoots or maybe something. So that's what I did. This is such a small thing, but it honestly makes a huge difference. For 2026, I've kept my closet super minimal. All the winter wear I have kept in one section. All the summer wear which I recently got have been kept in one folder. I mean, one bag. Basically, clothes which I do not wear, I have removed them from my closet. They will either go for donating. And I usually organize everything into sections. So my whites have one section, my office wear has one section, my Indian wear has one section, basic clothing has one section. One of my biggest goal for 2026 is to be more intentional with money. So I sat down, I tracked all my expenses, and I need to stop all the impulse buying. I need to stop ordering everything from Blinkit, Zomato. I think that's where most of my money goes, from ordering through Blinkit and Zomato. When I am at home, I feel like, I want to eat this, I want to eat that. I think I should stop that. Maybe keep some snacks at home handy for me to just, grab and eat some healthy or snacks, if that's making sense. But I really need to stop ordering so much. And I set up a rough budget for 2026, like my savings. I want to travel a lot in 2026, so I think I need to keep some budget allocated for that as well. And of course, emergencies. I also set up my wellness goals for this year. Really simple things that makes big difference. Like, I know I want to wake up by 5:30 every single day. I honestly think that I'll be able to do it, but not instantly. But now I usually wake up around 9:30, 10 when I'm working from home. And from next year, I mean from Jan, we have to go to office every single day. So I need to mentally prepare myself that I have to go office every single day. So I need to wake up early, I need to finish my tasks and then reach office on time. I even made a little wellness mood board, something soft, neutral, and cozy. My routines feel like inspiring and not a chore. 2026 is definitely my year of slowing down and taking care of myself. Now, my favorite part, I made vision board of 2026. Everything I want to invite into my life this year, be it travel, be it PR, be it my dream of becoming a full-time content creator, building growth and confidence. I pop up my vision board somewhere over here. Okay, you guys, I am done creating my vision board. Let me show it to you. Here it is. I have tried to make it as pink as possible, and I have kept according to my goals and my vision. So, my vision this year is to travel a lot. Want to, I finally applied for my passport and I really want to travel a lot. On my bucket list, it's Thailand, Bali and Sri Lanka. I am not so sure if I'll be able to go to Bali, but I'm sure that I want to go to Thailand and Sri Lanka. Next on my bucket list is that I want to wake up early in 2026, like by 5:30. I want to become that girl. I'm not so sure if waking up at 5:30, will change instantly. Obviously, it will take some time. I wake up around 10, 9:30. If I'm going to office, I wake up around 8, 8:30. But I really want to change that. I want to wake up by 5:30. I want to get done with most of my stuff and then head to office and do my work. I also want to do yoga and pilates. That's next on my list. I want clear skin, I want long hair. This year I did have long hair, but somehow I just decided to chop them off and cut it really short. I do love short hair on me, but I think long hair were like really suiting me. I don't know if it's making sense, but that's what I want to do. Yeah. Next is over here that I want to focus more on content creation. I had stopped posting anything on YouTube, Instagram for like 6-7 months, but I am back at it again. I want to start creating more content and I want to cross 1,000 subscribers. We are really close to it. I am around like 600ish, and I really want to cross 1,000 subscribers this year, possibly more than it. Let's see where it takes us. I want to redo my bedroom. So over here I have added some things, that how I want my washroom to be, how I want my bed space above here. I want how I want it to be. Currently this is my sister's vision board here, but I want something like this. And my side table, which is right over here, I want something like this. So let's see if that happens or not. And yeah, this is it. This is my vision board for 2026. I've kept it really realistic this time. I ended my reset by journaling, of course. I wrote down my affirmations, my intentions, my gratitude, and some journaling prompts. And I have this journal by Simba Lifestyle, that is Mridul Sharma's planner. And I reviewed my 2025. It felt so grounding. And that's my entire prep and plan for 2026. This year definitely feels different. I hope this motivates you to set your goals this year and build a dream life you want. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in 2026. Bye.